Rwandan traders and shipping companies have admitted that they are facing hurdles in reaching sources of consumer goods and raw materials used at the local market as the coronavirus disruption to supply chains begins to deplete stocks. Most of the suppliers we are dealing with currently do not source from the manufacturers directly. Most are getting goods from the wholesalers. Commercial flights have been put on hold. We cannot travel directly to the manufacturers. That's why we do not have enough goods that match the demand. Because this pandemic started in China, yet 50% portion of the goods here in Chik were sourced from China. A consequence to the Rwandan economy would be shortage of goods, in particular textile and shoes in the local market. Businesses have been allowed to resume operations, but some traders do not have goods in the stock. However, we've been told that the government is working with PSF to see how we can easily import goods from China to supply the local market. Recently, Rwanda put in place a cross-border cargo transit logistics platform that will facilitate safe movement of goods and services from neighboring Tanzania. The new measures have been adopted across all entry points to Rwanda as part of the country's COVID-19 prevention safety measures. The chairperson of the Private Sector Federation, Robert Bafakurera, says that business leaders are working together with the government to support local businesses involved in the import of goods as well as adjusting tax regimes. This will ensure that the trade sector are not adversely affected by the COVID-19 crisis. Bafakurela also calls on local importers who still have goods in inland cargo handling facilities to clear them and make way for incoming commodities. The understanding we have with Rwanda Revenue Authority is that any trader who is not able to pay taxes can talk to the tax collector and get a surety to clear their goods from storage facilities before this Sunday. If not, then importers will be asked to pay fines. The aim is to create space in the storage facility for more incoming goods. Traders should use this opportunity to clear their goods. The Private Sector Federation is upbeat that there will be no shortage of commodities on the local market, despite the fact that COVID-19 has caused a global shutdown. There are several concerns regarding shortage of goods, but certainly we will see a reduction on the quantity of the imports due to the reasons we all know, which might cause a rise in prices of some commodities. Countries have shut down. Companies that ship goods, such as DHL, have not been working at full capacity, which has led to some delays. PSF says that as governments impose lockdowns in the countries across the world, sourcing of goods for the local market will become impossible unless measures are taken to ensure businesses continue operations as usual while preventing the virus from spreading. With a significant portion of goods sourced from China, India, Pakistan and other places, a consequence to the Rwandan economy would be shortage of goods in the local market. We tried to speak to the Minister of Trade to address some of the concerns raised by traders without success. Reporting for RTV News, ATHAN TASHOBYA.